If you're taking A-level biology this year, I'm going to show you the entire subject in just 1 minute. You'll see the topics. I put these topics for you in the right order. So this will help you to plan this entire year in very short time.
The first part is called the AS, and the second part is what's called A2 biology. AS biology is made up of 3 units. Unit 1 is made of 3 parts. The first part talks about biological molecules like carbohydrates and proteins. Second part talks about cardiovascular system, and the third part talks about genetic diseases and genetics in general. Unit 2 is made up of 3 parts. The first part talks about cells. The second part talks about ecology, and the third part talks about evolution and natural selection. Unit 3 is a written exam of all the practicals taken from Unit 1 and Unit 2. Let's move now to A2 biology, which is also made of 3 units. Unit 4 is made of 3 main parts. The first part talks about photosynthesis, and the second part talks about bacteria, viruses, and immunity in general. The third part of Unit 4 talks about ecology and global warming. Unit 5 is made of 3 main parts. The first part talks about respiration, muscles. The second part talks about homeostasis. And the last part talks about gene technology. Finally, Unit 6 is a written exam of all the practicals taken from Unit 1 all the way to Unit 5.